Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and apply for Target REDcard. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, Target REDcard has been rebranded as Target Circle at the moment, and you can simply go ahead and apply for it online or in store by visiting the Target website or a physical store. So first things first, all the documents that you'll be needing is full name, email and phone number, home address, date of birth, social security number, driver's license information, income and employment information. That is about it. Now, in order for you to go ahead and apply, all you can do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply search for Target Circle. Once you've done that, this is going to be popping up for you on your screen. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the first link, which is going to be right over here. And now all you can do is simply go ahead and either apply for debit or apply for credit card right over here. As you can see, you can also compare these cards. As you can see, there are a couple things missing with credit, there are a couple things missing with debit, but that is about it. So you can simply go ahead and click on apply, and once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on join. And once you've done that, it's going to ask you for all your informations. As you can see, you can continue with it, and then it will also go ahead and ask you to provide a phone number, home address. Also gonna ask you for your SSN, your income statement, and many more. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.